In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paint graphics onto a face using Adobe Photoshop. This tutorial is perfect for creatives looking to add a unique touch to their portraits. Let's dive right in and bring out your artistic flair, giving your images a professional and imaginative finish. First, let's open up Photoshop. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and start it up. Once you're in, you'll need to add your image. This is the canvas we'll work on, so choose a clear, high-resolution photo for the best results. Simply drag and drop your image into Photoshop or use the File menu to open it directly. Now that you have your image ready to go, the next step is to duplicate the layer. This is a crucial part of the process as it allows you to work non-destructively and easily revert back to the original image if needed. To do this, pull up your Layers panel. Right-click on your background image and select Duplicate Layer. Having a backup ensures that we can experiment freely with various effects and adjustments without the fear of permanently altering our original photo. Moving along, we need to focus on the face you want to paint. Using the selection tool of your choice, the Quick Selection tool often works well for this. Carefully select the area of the face. It's important to take your time here to make sure the selection is accurate and precise. Use the Refine Edge tool to smooth out the selection's borders, making it seem natural and clean. Once you've got that selection spot on, it's time to create a mask. A mask is an effective way to isolate your selected area, which in this case is the face. In the Layers panel, click on the Add Layer Mask icon. This will mask out everything but the selected face area, enabling us to apply the design only where we want it. Now, let's move on to adding your paint design. Select the design file you'd like to use and bring it into Photoshop. Once it's imported, use the transform tools to position and size it over the face exactly how you envision. This might take a bit of tweaking to fit it just right, so don't rush. To correctly blend your design onto the face, you'll want to create a clipping mask. Right-click on your paint layer in the Layers panel and select Create Clipping Mask. This action ensures that your design applies only to the masked face area for a clean, professional application. Finally, adjust the blending mode to hue. This blend mode helps integrate your paint with the skin tones, giving the design a more natural appearance. You can further adjust the opacity to perfect the look, achieving just the right balance between vibrancy and subtlety. And there we go, your portrait now has a unique, painterly touch customized to your taste. That wraps up our Photoshop tutorial on painting graphics onto a face. Practice this process and don't hesitate to explore different designs and techniques to develop your own artistic style in photo editing. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.